Claude and ChatGPT are two prominent AI language models that have rapidly gained attention for their advanced conversational abilities. In this comparison, we will examine their performance across several key criteria, including accuracy, creativity, user-friendliness, and adaptability. Understanding these aspects is crucial, as both models are increasingly being used in education, business, and everyday problem-solving. By evaluating their strengths and limitations, we can better appreciate the impact these technologies have on how we interact with information and automation. Context window size refers to the amount of text an AI model can consider at one time. Claude offers a substantial advantage with a 200,000 token capacity, compared to ChatGPT's 128,000 tokens. This difference means Claude can process and retain more information from lengthy documents or extensive code bases without losing track of earlier content. As a result, users analyzing large files benefit from more coherent and comprehensive responses, making tasks like reviewing contracts or debugging complex software more efficient. Honesty and calibration are essential qualities in AI language models. Claude's constitutional AI training is designed to promote accurate and candid responses, ensuring that the information provided is both reliable and transparent. In contrast, ChatGPT has sometimes been noted for its tendency toward agreeableness, which can lead to responses that prioritize user satisfaction over strict accuracy. This difference in approach highlights the importance of balancing helpfulness with truthfulness in AI interactions. By encouraging directness, Claude aims to foster greater trust and clarity in its communications. Claude demonstrates a strong command of writing quality and tone, consistently delivering prose that feels both nuanced and natural. Its output tends to avoid unnecessary filler, resulting in clear and concise communication. This ability to tailor language with subtlety makes Claude well-suited for a wide range of writing tasks, from formal documents to creative storytelling. The overall effect is writing that engages readers while maintaining a professional standard. Claude demonstrates exceptional proficiency in handling complex coding tasks, consistently outperforming many of its peers in industry benchmarks. Its advanced reasoning capabilities enable it to tackle intricate programming challenges with accuracy and efficiency. The dedicated Claude code agent further enhances its utility by facilitating seamless integration into real-world development environments. This specialized agent streamlines workflows, allowing users to implement and test code directly within their preferred platforms. Together, these features position Claude as a leading solution for developers seeking reliable and sophisticated coding assistance. Anthropic distinguishes itself by maintaining an ad-free environment and prioritizing user data privacy. Unlike some competitors, such as OpenAI, which engages in a variety of commercial partnerships, Anthropic focuses on minimizing the use of personal information and avoiding targeted advertising. This approach reflects a commitment to safeguarding user trust and ensuring that privacy remains a central value. By limiting commercial influences, Anthropic aims to create a more secure and transparent experience for its users. Claude employs sophisticated methods to signal its level of uncertainty in responses. By expressing uncertainty when information is ambiguous or incomplete, Claude helps users recognize the limits of its knowledge. This approach reduces the risk of overconfident errors, which is especially important in research and decision-making contexts. By transparently communicating uncertainty, Claude enables users to make more informed judgments and to critically evaluate the information provided. ChatGPT continues to hold several distinct advantages in the field of artificial intelligence. Its robust plug-in ecosystem allows users to extend functionality and integrate with a wide range of external tools and services. The platform's image generation capabilities further enhance its versatility, enabling users to create visual content alongside text. Additionally, ChatGPT benefits from a large and active community, which contributes to rapid development, resource sharing, and ongoing support. These factors collectively strengthen its position as a leading AI solution. In summary, Claude and ChatGPT each bring unique strengths to the table. Claude excels in tasks that demand depth of analysis, nuanced honesty, the ability to process long documents, and advanced coding capabilities. On the other hand, ChatGPT stands out for its seamless integrations and the wealth of community-driven resources available to users. For projects that require thorough understanding, transparency, or complex technical work, Claude is the recommended choice. However, ChatGPT remains a strong option for those who prioritize connectivity and collaborative tools.